We're here today in Latham, Kansas, a small town of about 96 people, approximately 50 miles southeast of Wichita. And every town has something they're known for, and in Latham, the main thing that Latham is known for today is the Latham Saloon. Latham Saloon, Latham, Kansas. Neat little place. And the food smells delicious. Yeah, if you want
It's a long German name.
the German name,
Yeah.
Stambaughg.
Stambaughg.
I had it right then, believe it or not. Chad is the owner of Latham Steakhouse, Latham Saloon that is, and so he honored us by letting us come in here and film what he does. And so we have ordered our steaks, and I think they're about ready, so we're going to go in there and enjoy some of those, and maybe I'll get back with you before we leave here.
Sounds good. Thank you, and the honor's all mine.
Well,
really
appreciate that too.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
How
We'll
are you?
get you all. This is Shane, and he is the master chef of steaks
I wouldn't say master.
at
I'm close, but
Latham
not
Saloon.
Latham, Kansas.
Well, we're here with our YouTube channel, and the channel's called Lone Road Ranger.
Lone Road Ranger.
And I usually do this on my motorcycle, but I did it with my family coming over here today, so we took a car.
When you came the first time, did you come on your motorcycle?
Yeah, I did. This is Amber, who we met the other day, and she gave us the honor of allowing us to meet her and see a little bit about the saloon. Now she's doing some of the cooking back here, which we didn't know she was the expert. But what are you doing there, Amber?
So we grill our toast, we butter it, and we throw it on the grill here for our Texas toast.
Ooh,
And you can always add on shrimp.
yeah.
And so we cook that up fresh every time.
Oh my goodness.
And you can serve it on top of a steak. And it's just all of it.
Yeah, this is great, and I love seeing this type of thing. We met Chad back there, and
Yep.
Excuse me.
yeah.
We meet again.
There's Chad again. So we'll be eating your food here just momentarily, I think. So,
Yes, yep, I believe this is your ticket.
all right. Well, thank you guys. I would like to thank Chad Stambaughg, Amber, and Shane at the Latham Saloon for giving us the time to see their eatery and let us talk to them while they were working. My family enjoyed the best steaks we have ever eaten. I certainly won't forget the hospitality they have shown us and the welcome we received while there. If you haven't sampled the delectable menu at this establishment, you are definitely missing something. When you do get there, please tell them that the Lone Road Ranger sent you.